guys, here's a Ass Fan I series haiku 52. This one is in the bedroom. This one, by the way, has the where's the light button? Light button's right there. This one, I think that's the older style remote. The other one downstairs features the same remote as the L series does. So, oh, switch is not. Is this switch on, or is it just the lamp? Oh. It's just taking a while to get it on. For some reason, this is another mystery right here. This one takes a while to get on, and the other one blows cold air. Now I'm looking at it, and the blade pitch looks a little steeper for some reason. Now, El Camino, which is the one that has the custom exhaust fans, they were no fans before, but they added haiku, big ass fan haikus. That's a speed 1, speed 2. Yeah. Getting kind of nice speed from speed 2. Speed 3. This is where the masters like to keep it, usually. Speed 3. But I like them all on low. Or speed 2. This is speed 3. Speed 4 for the this is why the living room one feature that, because sometimes the little little thick pole is hard to install sometimes. You have to feature like this. Oh, is the noise coming from the fan? I can hear some of the moaning from the fan. Speed 4, speed 5, and speed 6. And that's it for speed 6. Now, here is speed 7. Smooth. Moves a lot of air. Does not have a light on it, unfortunately. You can hear it. I wonder if that original's still there. It is. Let's try 1, 2, 3. I didn't know how to reverse these before, but the remote on the back says it in this remote. Speed 1 reverse. Speed 1, 2. Three. You can also hear the people chatting on there. This one also doesn't spin fast in reverse too. I can hear. I can hear it. Let's do a bonus. Let's do a startup sound from 0 to speed 4. Because you can hear kind of a moaning on speed 4. They have air heat. The heater just kicked on. Is it heat? Yes, it is. Also start up from 0 to speed 4. Sound a cool sound. I don't know, just heat's blocking it. I hear the moaning, but heat's blocking it. Then we'll put it back to speed 3 forward. I don't know if it was in speed 3 or speed 4. I'm gonna check. 1, 2, high. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna leave it on speed 3. Or, oh, let's actually put it on speed 4. That's where it might have been. No, speed 3, actually. I'm gonna shut it off with a switch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start up all, sped up all the way? Yes, it has. That is it. That is the Big Ass Fan I series haiku. Thanks for watching.